G'day everyone, Artist Wayne Dowson here giving Slippery Rock Road a red hot go. Well, at least I'm trying to, because this bloody place should come with a sign that says slippery when wet. But I guess that's why they call it Slippery Rock Road. And yes, it was wet. But we need to start at the beginning. And I can tell you now, my GoPro played up something wicked today. Thankfully, my mate Michael Dempsey, aka Captain Barnacle, also known as the Wombat, came to our rescue. He caught as much action with his phone as any man could. On ya, Wombat! And as I headed back down the hill for what I think was my third attempt, up came Murray. And he's riding Wombats, KTM. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this is a typical day with those Watto's boys. So let's bring you quickly up to speed. I got stuck here first, went back down, gave it another shot, got stuck again. I was then passed by Murray and Big Jared, King of Kurrambong. After that, Guy rode up. So too did a bunch of enduro riders that just happened to come along. And I'm happy to say that quite a few of those fellas had trouble as well. And yes, eventually I succeeded. Seems like a miracle, I know. Then Guy rode Darren's bike up. Yep, we just jump on each other's bikes all the time. It's how the Watto's boys roll. That's right, us Watto's boys are like 1970s swingers couples. In fact, that's why Guy grew his 1970s porno moustache just for this ride. And after Slippery Rock Road was finished with us all, we had other trails to ride, and yes, we rode them on our own bikes. And as Big Jared, King of Kurrambong, found out, you need to be careful where you're standing when Darren on his DT comes rampaging up the hill. And here he is, our intrepid cameraman, Wombat. He can be seen here just before we send him up Wave Rock. And as Guy rides up to join me, Wombat can be seen here climbing ever higher. And doing a great job catching all the action. Look out everybody, Murray's now on his way up, and he's riding Wombat's bike, again.
Yeah, that side's easier. Then you go straight up here. Whoop. You right, Wayne?
Yeah, I'm good.
Would you like a hand?
Nah.
Is this where we insert the Congo drums?
Oh, and by the way, this is just a typical day's ride with the Watos boys. It seems like madness, I know, but it's not. I can assure you we're all totally and completely sane. Well, there you go, Murray's up, although he still has to get his own bike up, and unfortunately I was videoing him at the time and I forgot to turn the video camera on. Oh, and here comes Big Jared, King of Kurrambong. I'm not convinced that's the best way, big man, especially after the trouble Murray just had.
It's here, Larry. That's it, you're up now, Jared. Good fun, Michael.
Watos boys forever! Murray was up, I was up, Big Jared was up. It was time for Darren on his Yamaha DT. And the boys were still going the hard way. Well, at least that's what I was thinking. I think this is the same method they used to build the pyramids. Darren was now poised, ready to show us the power of the Yamaha 125.
Whoa! Good size.
Always remember, Darren, with great power comes great responsibility. Last bike to come up Wave Rock was Guy on his KTM.
Well, snapped.
Hopefully not his arm.
Or his leg.
And he must have been tired after helping everybody
Boot
else.
snapped off.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Hopefully his foot wasn't inside.
Hey, back on a KTM. He loves them. You're not used to that much grip and power, are you, Wayne?
Which way you going?
Up the hill?
This way? Your left or our left?
Well, I guess the question wasn't whether I was getting the bike up, but when I was getting the bike up, because have a go at all the help I was getting. Well, I reckon that's a wrap. I'm artist Wayne Dowson, and thanks for watching, everyone. On your Wattos, boys.